Hi, my name is Marcus and welcome back to my Learning German blog. Today we will talk about basic sentence structure in German and we will see why number 2 is so important. But before I start, I want to remember you, if you watch the video until the end, I will have a little surprise for you. Okay, let's see our lesson of today. Here's a simple sentence. Ich lerne heute Deutsch zu Hause. I learn today German at home. Actually, the sentence has 5 parts. Ich lerne heute Deutsch zu Hause. Let's see what's on second position. Second position, we have our verb. And for me, the verb is the king of the sentence, the boss of the sentence. No? And it's always on second position. Okay? Therefore, number 2. What do we have in position 1? In this case, our subject. And the subject for me is our queen. In my courses, I use colors. And for me, the subject is a nominative and it will be always green. So if you have one of my courses, you will see the subject every time in green. And the queen has an influence to the verb. So the queen decides which ending the verb will have. In this case, ich lerne. Okay? Con du lernst. Okay? And what is on first position? It's normally the most important information in the sentence. Okay? So it's the star of the sentence. That means in this case, I really want to say ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Okay? And then you have the rest of the sentence. There's more freedom. Like you can have an adverb like heute. You can have an object, Deutsch. In this case it's blue because it's an Akkusativ. No? For me, Akkusativ is always in blue and it's a direct object, Deutsch. And maybe you have a preposition. In this case it's red because zu always wants dative. So those are the 3 colors I use: green, nominative, blue, Akkusativ, and red, dative. But let's go back to our structure. If I think, for me, there's another most important information in the sentence, I could switch it. I could change the positions. I could say, heute lerne ich Deutsch zu Hause. You see, I just switched the queen with the adverb, no? Okay, so I really mean today I learned German. But always the queen has an eye on his king, so on her king. And she will stick to him, so she is on position 3 now. And then we have the rest. If I really want to say, I learned German, no? I could say, Deutsch lerne ich heute zu Hause. Okay? So, heute goes back and we put in first position Deutsch. But, again, queen and king stay together. Or maybe I really want to say, zu Hause lerne ich heute Deutsch. Then this goes in first position. But again, they stay together. As well, it will be for questions. If I want to ask, for example, wo lerne ich heute Deutsch? Where? No? It's actually the most important information, so we put it in our first place. And again, king and queen. Okay, just in a question where I ask, lerne ich heute Deutsch? Do I learn German today? No, learn I today German? In this case, position 1 is not occupied. Okay? So, if you have a yes or no question, ja, nein Frage, it will be this structure. Okay, actually you see, our king didn't move at all. No? He stays at his position. Okay? Because he likes to be there, he's a little bit lazy, and he stays there. And our queen is next to him. So just remember, in first position, we have the most important information of the sentence, no? Where our focus is. Second position, always, no? Second position, always our king. And in this case, maybe the subject will be in position 3, because the queen wants to stay close to the king, and then maybe have something else, or maybe the queen is our most important information, so she will be in first position. And most sentences are this way, like in other languages. No? First you have the subject and then the verb, and then maybe you get the rest. Okay, so just stick with this or with this, but see the verb always at second position. Okay, so if you're interested to learn even more German, just check out my website. No, there are some online courses, there are more videos, and please feel free to leave a comment and I will answer to all questions. I hope you enjoyed the lessons, and like I promised, I have a little surprise for you, and it's a little magic trick. So let's see our magic trick for today. So I have here 2 batteries. I put it in my hand like this. I put it in my hand like this. Okay? And now I just take the 2 batteries and I separate it. Could you do the same? So if you could do it, then send me a video. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you a really nice day and see you soon with more content, and have a good day. Okay, tschüss.